AE9 GPS Professional Drone 4K Dual Camera, Brushless Motor, Optical Flow, Screen RC, and more. Step into the world of high-performance aerial photography with the AE9 GPS Professional Drone, a feature-packed, beginner-friendly quadcopter designed to deliver crystal-clear imaging, stable flight, and full creative control. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or a first-time flyer, the AE9 offers a powerful flying experience that combines modern tech with easy usability. This drone is equipped with dual 4K HD cameras, enabling ultra-wide shots, dynamic angles, and precise photo-video capture. The adjustable front camera allows you to explore the skies from different perspectives, while the bottom optical flow camera enhances positional accuracy for smooth hovering and flight stabilization. Powered by high-performance brushless motors, the AE9 delivers quieter, more powerful, and more energy-efficient flights compared to traditional brushed motors. These motors offer greater durability and resistance to wind, ideal for both indoor and outdoor environments. One of the standout features of this drone is its integrated GPS positioning system, which ensures advanced flight capabilities such as auto return to home, GPS follow me, waypoint flight, and circle flight. Even if you lose signal or your battery runs low, the drone will automatically return to its takeoff point, keeping your equipment and footage safe. The AE9 also includes optical flow positioning, allowing it to maintain stable flight even without a GPS signal, perfect for indoor use or low-altitude photography. Unlike many drones in this price range, the AE9 includes a 4.5-inch LCD screen built into the remote controller. So you don't need to connect your smartphone. Real-time video transmission is displayed directly on the screen, giving you a seamless FPV, first-person view, experience without any extra setup. With its headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold, the AE9 makes flying easier than ever, even for beginners. And thanks to the modular battery design, you get extended flight time and quick battery swaps without hassle. Key features: camera with flash dual 4K HD cameras, front and bottom with switchable view. Satellite GPS plus optical flow positioning, stable indoor-outdoor flight. Anti-clockwise arrows 360 degrees headless mode, easy control regardless of orientation. Running dash brushless motors, stronger performance, wind resistance, quiet operation. Back return to home. GPS-enabled auto return on low battery or lost signal. Satellite dish 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, real-time image transmission, up to 500 meters. Built-in LCD screen controller. No phone needed, fly and view instantly. Round pushpin waypoint flight. Draw a flight path on the app, and the drone follows it. Hollow red circle flight. Point of interest. Automatically orbits around a selected object. Battery modular battery. Safe, efficient, and easy to swap. Specifications. Model: AE9 GPS drone. Camera: 4K dual camera, adjustable front camera plus optical flow bottom camera. Motor type: brushless. Battery: 7.4 volts 1800 mAh modular LiPo. Flight time: 18 to 22 minutes. Charging time: about 120 minutes. Remote control distance: up to 800 meters. FPV transmission range: up to 500 meters. Drone size, unfolded, approximately 28 by 28 by 7 centimeters. Folded size: compact and travel-friendly. Controller: built-in LCD screen, no smartphone needed. Positioning system: GPS plus optical flow. Functions: one-key takeoff, landing. Headless mode. Altitude hold. Gesture photo, video. Follow me mode. Circle fly. Waypoint fly. Auto return to home. What's in the box? 1X AE9 GPS drone. 1X remote controller, with LCD screen. 1X battery. 1X USB charging cable. 4X spare propellers. 1X screwdriver. 1X instruction manual, optional. Carrying case, depending on version. Ideal for beginners and intermediate pilots, aerial photography enthusiasts, travel and landscape videography, gift for teens or adults. Anyone looking for a screen controller drone without needing a smartphone.